Hello there, my friends. Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. I have sketch number 56 to share today. We're using the Stargazing DSP and I've paired it with basic black. We're going to segment our DSP as shown above, and I've embossed my sentiment with white emboss. After I've stamped it on the black, I've go ahead and embossed it and I trimmed it out with my scissors for the sentiment tag. So here are the parts and pieces for this simple sketch, and you can get all the details on my mini tutorials. We start by folding and creasing our card base. Then we're going to add the 3 sections back to the front of the card with liquid adhesive. So I started with the long piece on the left, then I added the smaller square, and then the larger square on the right. Fractured apart. Then we're going to use dimensionals and pop up our sentiment right across those splits. So it brings our focal point back to the center. So there it is, our nice and simple sketch for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment here on YouTube. You can also subscribe to my newsletter with the links below. And don't forget, you can subscribe here to YouTube as well, not to miss out on any future projects. All right, I hope you had fun today, and I'll stamp again with you real soon.